Welcome to Abundant Health and Life. This channel mission is to help you find a healthier lifestyle to enjoy your life more. Hello, my name is Jane Bernaga. As a middle-aged woman, I'm living one of the happiest and healthiest phase of my life. After years of chronic inflammation, allergies, and many food restrictions, I decided to understand what was happening with my body. Today, as a certified health coach from IIN, I provide guidance using a holistic approach to women who want much more than just weight loss. But what is a health coach? It's a supportive mentor who guides the clients through the whole body and mind experiments to find the best choices for them based on their bio-individuality. Health coaches work in conjunction with physicians, nurses, dietitians, and especially with functional doctors. Let's go on this journey together. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media accounts to receive our content. This is Abundant Health and Life. Thank you.